स्टूडेंट, अब हम इस टॉपिक में मोशन इन वन डायमेंशन में कुछ न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व करेंगे। सबसे पहला न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स जो बेसिक आता है वो है फोर्स इज इक्वल टू मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द बॉडी। सी yesterday in the previous lecture I have told you force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now today we are going to do some numericals on force is equal to mass into acceleration. We know unit of force is Newton, denoted as N. See, a question is given. There is a body A. Its mass is 10 kg. Its mass is 10 kg. It changes its velocity from 10 meter per second to 50 meter per second in time t is equal to say 10 seconds. We have to find the force, we have to calculate the force, we have to calculate that how much is F. How much is F? I have already told you that force is equal to mass into acceleration, and we all know that acceleration is v minus u over t. Now just substitute the value. Mass is given as 10, final velocity is 50, initial velocity is 10, and time is also given as 10. Fifty minus 10 is 40. So it will give us force is equal to 40. Remember one thing, if we just leave our answer as 40, then half of the marks will be deducted by the examiner. What we have to do, that we will write as F is equal to 14 Newton. Now this is complete. If we just leave the answer like this, half of the marks is definitely is going to deduct by the examiner. If we will give the right answers as F is equal to 40 Newton, then no marks will be deducted, we will get full marks. Let us do one different problem. This is say question number 2. There is a body which is moving at a speed of 10 meter per second. There is a body which is moving at a speed of 10 meter per second. Suddenly the brakes are applied and the body comes to rest. The body comes to rest when application of brake. Application of brake. Application of brake or brakes are applied, then the body comes to rest in time t is equal to say 2 seconds, given that the mass of the body is 5 kg. What we have to find it out here, we have to find the retarding force. Retarding force applied by the brakes. applied by the brakes। यानी हमें यहाँ पे ये बताना है कि जो हमने ब्रेक अप्लाई किया है उससे कितना रिटार्ड फोर्स डेवलप हुआ है। बहुत सिंपल है, सेम फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। फोर्स इज इक्वल टू मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन। m a is given as v minus u upon t। mass is 5 kg, substitute here m is 5। final velocity, body comes to rest on the application of brake, body comes to rest on the application of brake, 0 minus u, initial velocity is 10, write 10 here, time is 2 seconds। see 0 minus 10 is minus 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, put minus sign here। now you can ask one question that sir, force is not negative, the value of force is not negative। definitely the value of force is not negative, but what does this negative sign indicate here? what does this negative sign indicate here? negative sign indicates, see, negative sign indicates that the brakes are applied, that's why the value of f has come here negative। so these were the two simple problems which is discussed on force is equal to mass into acceleration of the body। hope that you all have understood। one is on simple and other is when the brakes are applied। keep one thing in mind that we have to write the unit on both, because if you miss the to write the unit, then some marks will be deducted by the examiner। in the next lecture we will discuss about the second equation of motion। so this is all about you can like the video and subscribe the channel, and if you find that anything you have not understood, there is a comment box below the video, you can comment it there and your problem will be resolved as soon as possible। thank you।